Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Randell. Welcome back to the channel. I've got a little bit of an issue. So the camera that I normally use to record my vlogs on, it's a Canon T3i, pretty much just toast. I went to go out in the shop and try to record a vlog, and it won't turn on. So that is why I'm sitting at my desk. That is why I'm recording with this webcam. I don't really know how it's going to turn out, but here we are. So I just want to jump on here and kind of get you guys caught up on a few things. One, I've been talking a lot lately about progress on the Bronco. Unfortunately, after a discovery, I decided it was pretty much time to scrap the project, sell it to a gentleman that I knew already wanted it. He made me a fair offer. I still make a little bit of money, and it went on its way. But pretty much what happened is, I've had the Bronco covered up underneath the tarp this entire time, and I'm not sure if the tarp is no good or just moisture, I don't know. Somehow there's water in the engine, changed the intake, started changing the spark plugs, changed the oil, and when I removed the oil pan, or not the oil pan, the oil plug, there was just a ton of water in the motor. So I was immediately worried. Thought maybe it was all in the pan, I might be okay. But after getting into the intake, to put the intake back on, I realized that one of the cylinders was just completely slap full of water. Now, I did let it soak with Miracle Oil. I put some oil in all the cylinders, tried to free it up. It could not do it. Cylinders just froze shut, or froze in place. Got extremely irritated, walked away from it. Tried to let it sit for a few days, tried to free it up again. Was basically just going to get it running and sell it at that point anyways. Got tired of it and called the gentleman that I knew wanted it, talked to him for a little bit, and he made me an offer. Basically, I think I paid $1,200 for the Bronco. All in all, I probably had like, I don't know, maybe $2,500, maybe closer to $3,000, but I've got parts that I've taken back off that I could sell, like a carburetor, distributor, stuff like that. So he ended up buying it for $4,000. I think minus the stuff I was able to sell afterwards, I'm probably made about $1,500 profit. Not a whole lot, but it is something. I didn't lose anything, and here we are. Other than that, I did take a trip up to Rockstar Harley a few weeks ago with a buddy of mine. Rode up there. They had a little bit of an event. We just really wanted to see the stunt show. Busted Knuckles was out there. It was pretty fun. I have to say, it was pretty fun. We spent the entire day up there, ate at Twin Peaks, and rode around for a while and came home. So, was that. I was going to do a standalone motorcycle vlog on that, but I didn't really think there was enough content there to do that, so I'm just going to include it in this.
We have our owner and performer of the Busted Knuckle Stunt Show. Coming to you out of Little Rock, Arkansas. Give it up for King Tony! Get you a high five, but watch out for that front brake bumper. King Tony can't come to Florida and not surf down the street on his Harley. Cross going, side sketch. Hey, watch out, King Tony, he's into you, man. How about those balance rules out of King Tony there? Eric Austin, go ahead and just stretch your tires around. Check him out. Coming in hot, getting right into some more circle willies. Ladies and gentlemen, listen to that motor, listen to that throttle.
Doing a ton of that. And that's pretty much it. I haven't been in the workshop, I haven't been doing anything in there. I did order a moisture meter off Amazon. I'm waiting for that to come in. That way I can start checking the lumber that I milled up last year. If you guys remember that, I'll put it in the links in the cards above. Basically, I have a ton of lumber from Hurricane Irma that I had milled up and it's been drying for the last year. Now I know they say air dry is supposed to be a year per inch, but this is Florida. I just want to start checking some of the boards, maybe getting a feel for where they're at. Maybe I can bring some into one of my containers or into the house, or just do something to try to speed the process. Basically, I'm motivated at the moment with the extra money I have that I want to go ahead and build my new desk. So you guys seen my desk video build where I built the desk and I put a computer inside. I'll leave that in the cards above as well. I'm taking that same concept, making a live edge table and putting another computer inside. It's going to be a similar yet different design, just going to use everything that I've learned from my previous build and everything that I'm going to learn building a live edge table. So I'm super excited for that. I think it's going to be awesome. Basically just waiting right now to make sure the wood's dry enough to work with. Other than that, I really don't have any big plans inside the shop right now. Trying to mode. Basically, at the moment, I'm just trying to make stuff for myself, stuff I want. So I don't have any. I'm not taking any client work right now. There's not a whole lot of that going on. In the meantime, guys, that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's very different for me, very odd, but yeah, it is what it is. Just want to catch you guys up on everything that's going on. And, oh, one last thing, guys. Like I said in the beginning, I mentioned that my camera is pretty much shot. I am ordering a new GoPro for my motorcycle stuff. So mine's a little outdated and the audio is kind of bugging me. But if you have any tips on a relatively, not inexpensive, but just a decent vlogging setup, I don't need anything crazy. I'm debating about going mirrorless right now because I'm not really taking photos with my camera anymore. But if you guys got any tips, post those in the comments below as well. Looking for something. I don't know if I'm gonna purchase it right away. Maybe it'll be a month from now. But I'm definitely gonna need to do something because recording in the webcam is just gonna change the whole system, and I'm not really into that right now. I may use my phone. I tried to use the GoPro and it didn't really work out for me. I can't change the focus and things like I want to do, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys have any tips, let me know. In the meantime, you guys have a good one. My name is Randell Ray. Thanks for checking out the channel, and I'll catch y'all later.